Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a branded QR code with the help of Canva. So in order to do that, just go open a blank page. So in order to get your QR code with your brand, that will be linked to your brand, my bad. So in order to do that, just go over here to the app section, search for QR code generator, search for it. So you will see Gen QR option here, click on it, and you can just put in your the link that you want to link your QR code to. So just put in that link and you will get your branded QR code, and you can also use any colors here. So the link you put here will all automatically connect it to this QR code here. So that's it with the video guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.